replacing a laptop motherboard. It's me, Janil, better known as Jabo. Here is a laptop screen. This is the power adapter. This is the battery. This is the case where the hard drive will be going into.
Naturally.
And this is the hard drive. And that's charger.
Stop.
And this is the CD-ROM, the CD drive. This will be going into the laptop here. This is the wireless adapter. So small it is. This is the Bluetooth adapter. This is the power switch. This is the memory. Yeah, and this is the processor, the brains of our computer. A little thing. And this is the heat sink, which cool it down from frying. This is the laptop fan, very obvious. Okay, this is the new motherboard, which I'm going to replace this old piece of thing. Yeah, this is my biggest ride from a power outage or something like that. Yeah. And this is a laptop. See, this is what you have here. I'll show you how to finish work anytime I know. These are my tools. Are the screws. This is what is that?
That's part of the front panel with the power button and some other function buttons.
Two head better than one, yeah? This is also the front panel, this cover on top of the laptop to make for in a better position. This goes on like that. And this open space, we're going to have the keyboard, which is, where did I put the keyboard? This is the keyboard. It goes here.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the basic part. I'm going to show you when I finish. This is an S-Video flat, S-Video out. This is the VGA out. This one you want to connect your laptop to an external video. These are USB, most obvious. These are Ethernet, modem, and the internet. This is the power. More USB, audio out, and SD cards for your picture lovers. This is the battery. This is what store the computer date and time, location, all those basic information. This is the slot where the CPU will be going. CPU Essential Processing Unit. And now you see two motherboards. The bad one. Those who don't know, this is where the memory goes. This is where the battery goes.